So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunities, especially a kind of internship from various company like TCS, Accenture and other important company. Okay, so first important opportunity that is from the TCS, and this is a kind of internship or career program. Okay, so TCS and career age young professional be future ready. So what is the course? This is a kind of course and online self-paced course. So if you are the undergraduate, a graduate and freshers, and if you want to get some the knowledge of the industry like the behavioral skill, presentation, soft skill, resume writing, interview skills and IT foundation skill and anything like the basic knowledge of artificial intelligence or that, then you can apply for this. You will also get a dedicated certificate from the TCS, and which will for sure add some you can say boost to your resume. So if you want, you can apply for this, especially 2027. If you are getting time, must apply, and 2026 can also apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity which I have already provided in the previous video related to updates. So this is just update that is from the NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. They are hiring for the role of executive trainee. So if you have qualified GATE and if you have 60% marks in BE BTech, then you can apply for this. So valid GATE score are 2024, 2025, 2026. All are means all GATE score are acceptable, and last day to apply is 30th April 2026 till 4 p.m. you can apply. This is one of the PSU jobs. If you want, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. They are looking from the various background like electrical, electronics, instrumentation, civil, mechanical and chemical. Moving to next opportunity, that is from the Harman. I think this job link has been expired, so you can ignore this. Moving to next opportunity, that is from the Accenture. They are hiring for the role of application support engineer and package application development associate. So if you are the freshers and want to build your career with the Accenture, which one the good organization, then you can apply for this. Though they have slow hiring process, but if you want, you can apply. This is a freshers hiring, and earlier also this hiring had been announced. So those who have missed that, you can now apply. So roles and responsibility will design and develop GenAI applications, build RAG, that is the retrieval augmented generation, development agentic, develop agentic AI workflow and all those things. So you will be working on various projects. So depending on the business requirement, you will be getting the project. So if you are freshers, then even clearly say they have clearly mentioned that qualification is 15-year full-time education. Means if you have qualified your BTech degree, then you can apply for this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the GE Aerospace. They are hiring for the role of data science intern, aviation, digital technology, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So whatever your responsibility, will document technical data, prepare and present technical data and documentations, and work closely with identified mentor on allocated project. So if you are from the BE, BTech, third year or fourth year students, or ME, MTech, first year or second year students, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The basic eligibility criteria is 7 CGPA or 70% and above you should have, and you should have not any active backlog. So these are the desired characteristics. If you are having, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next and last important opportunity, that is from the Synopsys Career. They are hiring for the role of engineer, the future with us. I think again this expires, so ignore that. So I hope this video informative to you. These are some important opportunity, and if you have exam further like TCS, then you can just go through our the coding video, which will be really helpful for you, because the coding questions are being repeated. And just follow our YouTube channel, you will get lots of important job update in upcoming days. Currently a various hiring is going on like from the Tech Mahindra, Airbus, Myntra. This is for 2027 pass out. So there are lots of hiring is going on. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel and apply for that. Okay, IBM hiring is still going on. Hope informative. कोई भी query है, we can connect on LinkedIn and you can ask any query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.